Penguins got fish. Life is good. To get a fish someone else caught, you pay 1 shiny pebble. 1 pebble, 1 fish. This is the law. But what if the penguin wants more? A better nest? Maybe Penguin is too hungry. What if he wants it now, but doesn't have the pebbles? This is an ice card, an offer from Polar Bear's bank. The deal is simple. The penguin can use this card to get the fishes for his nest now. Polar bears will pay for it. The penguin now owes the fish. He has around 30 days to pay them back. If the penguin pays back the fish in time, everything is fine. If not, well, we'll get to that in a minute. The penguin builds a magnificent multi-layered nest. He uses the card to buy extra fish for a meal. A baby seal tries to snatch his card, but the penguin just shrugs. The card is replaced by the polar bear bank. It's more secure than carrying pebbles. Why use an ice card instead of your own pebbles? There are a few reasons. The biggest reason is rewards. The bears want penguins to use their cards, so they give bonuses, extra fish, polar points for travel on migrating whales, maybe even a discount on premium nesting locations. Ice cards seem pretty good. A penguin can use the bear's pebbles and even get perks for doing so. His belly full too. It's a win-win. What could possibly go wrong? Debt. If our penguin doesn't pay back all the pebbles he borrowed, the bears will charge him extra. This is called interest. Interest is just the cost of borrowing. Stay with me now. If the penguin owes 100 pebbles and the interest rate is 10%, he has to pay back the 100 pebbles plus 10 extra pebbles for interest. Don't forget, interest is only added when the penguin doesn't pay back the full amount on time. But it gets worse. Compound snowball. Many penguins get wiped out by the compound snowball. Basically, the bears charge interest on the new, bigger amount you owe every single day. Let's break it down. Penguin owes 100 pebbles. After 1 month, he forgets to pay. The bears add 2% interest. He now owes 102 pebbles. The next month, they add 2% interest to the 102 pebbles, not the original 100. So his debt becomes 104.04 pebbles, then 106.12. The amount seems small, but it starts rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster until it's an avalanche. This is how ice card debt becomes so hard to escape. So, how does a penguin survive? This is not financial advice, but if a smart penguin were to use an ice card, he would remember these things. 1. Ice cards are not free pebbles. They are a powerful, dangerous tool. With great power comes great responsibility to not get eaten by bears. 2. Only spend what you can pay back this month. Before you use the card, look at your pile of pebbles. If you can't pay for it in full by the deadline, you cannot afford it. 3. Always try to pay in full. This is the golden rule. If you pay in full and on time, you pay 0 interest. You get all the rewards, and the bears get nothing extra. You win. 4. Keep your debt low. A smart penguin tries to only use 30% of his total credit limit. It shows the bears he is responsible and keeps his reputation high. 5. Set up reminders. Pay your bill on time, every time. The ice card can build you an empire, or it can bury you in snow. Be the penguin who is in control. All right, recruits. Lesson over. Remember to like and subscribe for more Penguin.